Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create your Steam library collection. So as you can see, I already have a collection called Never Again right here. And now let's create a new one by selecting a games. So for example, let's pick Arma 3 right here, right click on it. Now click on move your mouse to add to. Here there'll be plus new collection, select it. And from here you'll be able to enter the name for this collection. So let's call it, for example, FPS shooters. And now select the collection type and you can create a normal collection. A collection is a simple way of organizing your library. Drag tiles onto the collection or right click a tile to add it to existing collection or dynamic collections. Use filters to create collections that update as your library grows. So if you choose this one, you'll be able to manually add games and remove them from this collection. If you choose this one, you'll be able to add or remove games by filtering it. So if you, for example, we want FPS shooters, so let's create a dynamic collection, and here find the FPS. So for example, this one is action. I played it already. It's multiplayer, cooperative and single player. And right here we can also add FPS as a tag. And as we buy new games, as you can see, there's already a bunch of games added to this collection as we just added some of the tags. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.